Every time you pull up to a gas pump, it feels like you're making a smart choice. One logo looks cleaner, one brand promises advanced engine protection, another one tells you its premium fuel has special cleaning technology. And while the numbers on the pump keep climbing, the message is always the same: pay more now or your engine may pay later. But here's the part most drivers never hear. The gasoline business is built on an illusion of difference. Before the brand name, before the commercial, before the shiny pump design, a huge amount of gasoline starts as the same base fuel moving through the same regional supply system. The brand identity usually appears later when additives are blended into that fuel at the terminal. That does not mean every gasoline is identical. That would be too simple. The real trap is more precise. Some expensive brands sell you confidence you may not need. Some cheap stations save money in ways that can hurt your engine over time. And in the middle, there are a few places where drivers can actually get strong detergent protection without paying luxury prices. The secret is not the biggest sign on the road. The secret is a fuel standard most people have never checked: top-tier detergent gasoline. Licensed top-tier retailers must meet detergent performance requirements across all octane grades they sell, not just the expensive one. The first gasoline brand robbing many drivers blind is Shell V-Power, not because Shell fuel is bad. In fact, Shell appears on the official top-tier approved brand list. The problem is the way premium fuel is psychologically sold. A regular commuter car that asks for regular gasoline does not automatically become cleaner, faster, or more protected because the driver buys premium. Higher octane is mainly about resisting engine knock in engines designed for it. It's not magic energy, it's not automatically better cleaning. If your owner's manual says regular gasoline, paying for premium is often just paying for a feeling. The Federal Trade Commission has warned that in most cases, using higher octane gasoline than the owner's manual recommends offers no benefit in performance, mileage, speed, or cleaning. The second is Chevron with Techron when it's used the wrong way. Chevron built one of the strongest fuel marketing stories in America around engine cleaning additives. And yes, Chevron is also top-tier approved. But the trick is that many drivers confuse a good additive brand with a reason to buy premium octane every time. The smarter question is not which pump sounds most advanced. The smarter question is, what octane does my engine actually require, and is this gasoline top tier? If the answer is regular octane and top tier, then the extra premium charge may be solving a problem your car never had. The third is Exxon and Mobil premium fuel. Again, this is not about saying the fuel is low quality. Exxon and Mobil are listed as top-tier approved brands. The issue is the premium, the extra money paid not for a real mechanical need, but for the belief that expensive fuel must be healthier. American Automobile Association research found that for vehicles designed to run on regular fuel, premium gasoline did not produce more horsepower, better fuel economy, or fewer tailpipe emissions. Fewer than 20% of vehicles on the road required high-octane fuel in that research, while most were designed to operate on regular gasoline. The fourth is BP and Amoco Premium, when the driver is buying status instead of specification. BP and Amoco are also listed by top tier, which means the base trust problem is not the brand. The problem is the driver standing at the pump, staring at 3 buttons, feeling cheap if they press regular. That feeling is exactly where gasoline marketing wins. Premium sounds like better, regular sounds like basic, but engines do not run on ego. They run on compression, ignition timing, fuel mapping, and manufacturer requirements. A car that was engineered for regular gasoline does not need an emotional upgrade. The fifth is Valero Premium in the same overpayment category. Valero is on the top tier list, which makes the lesson even sharper. A trusted gasoline brand can still become a bad purchase if the driver buys the wrong grade. This is why the title is not about illegal fraud. It's about wasted money. If the regular grade at a top-tier station already carries the detergent standard, then many drivers are not paying extra for meaningful protection. They're paying extra because the word premium sounds safer than the word regular. The 6 is 76 Premium. The brand is recognizable, the signage is strong, and it is also listed as top tier. But the same rule applies. Do not let a clean station, a familiar logo, or a racing-style fuel image make the decision for you. High octane matters when your vehicle requires it, recommends it under certain conditions, or when your engine is knocking on the recommended grade. Outside of that, higher octane can become one of the easiest ways to lose money every single week without noticing. The 7th is the most dangerous category: no-name and unbranded discount gasoline that is not top-tier certified. This is where cheap can become expensive. These stations may look like the best deal because the sign shows a lower price, but the real cost can hide inside the engine. Lower detergent gasoline can allow deposits to build up on intake valves, injectors, and combustion surfaces. In testing reported by the American Automobile Association, non-top-tier gasoline produced 19 times more engine deposits than top-tier gasoline after 4,000 miles of simulated driving. Those deposits can reduce fuel economy, increase emissions, and create drivability problems such as hesitation, hard starting, and stalling.
This is the part drivers need to understand. Cheap gasoline does not ruin an engine because it is cheap. It becomes risky when the low price comes from skipping the detergent quality standard that keeps deposits under control. Carbon buildup is not dramatic at first. It does not usually announce itself with smoke and sparks. It creeps in quietly. The car starts a little rougher, acceleration feels slightly weaker, fuel economy drops slowly enough that most people blame traffic, weather, or age. American Automobile Association technical reporting notes that carbon deposits can reduce fuel economy by approximately 2 to 4% depending on the engine and driving conditions. So which gasoline can you actually trust? The first is Costco and Kirkland's Signature Gasoline. Costco is one of the strongest examples because it appears on the official top-tier approved list, yet its business model often allows it to sell fuel at very competitive prices. That changes the entire value equation. You are not paying for the biggest emotional brand story. You are buying detergent standard gasoline at a price that often competes with discount stations. That is what drivers should be looking for. Not the most expensive pump, not the cheapest unknown pump, but the best combination of top-tier certification and price. The second gasoline brand you can trust is Mobil when you buy the correct octane for your vehicle. Mobil is top-tier approved, and the regular grade at a licensed top-tier retailer must meet the program standard. That means the smart purchase is not automatically Mobil Premium. The smart purchase is Mobil Regular, mid-grade, or premium according to what your owner's manual requires. When the brand is certified and the octane matches the engine, you're not guessing. You are buying based on a standard instead of a slogan. The third is Texaco. Texaco is also listed as a top-tier approved brand, and it gives drivers a clean rule they can actually use. Trust the certification first, then trust the price, then trust the octane requirement. The logo alone is not enough. The manual alone is not enough. The manual, the certification, and the real price per gallon matter more than the emotional story printed on the pump. The real conclusion is simple. Stop asking which gasoline brand sounds richest. Start asking which gasoline meets the right standard at the right price. If your car requires regular gasoline, buying premium every week may be one of the quietest ways you burn money. If a station is not top-tier certified, saving a few cents may cost more later through deposits, lower economy, and rougher performance. And if you can find top-tier fuel at a discount, that is where the smart money goes. Before your next fill-up, check two things. First, open your owner's manual and confirm the octane your vehicle actually requires. Second, check whether the station is on the official top-tier approved list. Once you do that, the entire gasoline game looks different. The most expensive brand is not automatically the best choice. The cheapest station is not automatically the smartest choice. And premium fuel is not a reward for your engine unless your engine was built to need it. The driver who wins is not the one who buys the fanciest gasoline. It's the one who stops paying for marketing and starts buying the fuel their car actually needs.